Monday. So
No,
the
no.
subject for today is mathematics. Mathematics. The book that we use today is fun. All right. Before we start, I will mute your mic first. I will have to mute your mic first. If you want to answer, if you have any question, you can turn your mic on again. But if there is nothing that is involved with the class or the lesson, please kindly turn your mic off. Now, let's start the lesson today. You have learned about this already, so I will just review what you have learned this class. But before we start, let's talk about the small talk that we have learned so far. Small talk number 5. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? If you want to answer this question, you can say, my birthday is on the ... My birthday is on the ... For example, you can say, my birthday is on the 7th of January in 1998. Next, small talk number 6. Where do you live? Where do you live? When we see the question where, we are talking about place. So the answer is, I live in Yes, you can say, I live in Nang Rong. I live in Buriram. You can say anything. Next, how many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family? You can say, there are 3 people in my family. My father, my mother, and me. My father, my mother, and me. Next one. What does your father do? What does your father do? You can say, my father is a dentist. My father is a dentist. Next one. What does your mother do? What does your mother do? My mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. Next one, small talk number 9. The question is, what do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? You can answer by saying, in my free time, I watch a movie. In my free time, I watch a movie. Next, what do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? In my free time, I read a book. I read a book. What do you do in your free time? I go fishing. I go fishing. Next one, small talk number 10. What do you want to be in the future? What do you want to be in the future? And the example is, in the future, I want to be a doctor. In the future, I want to be a doctor. Next. May I have your phone number? May I have your phone number? You can answer by saying, sure, my phone number is ... Sure, my phone number is ... This is the example. You can say, sure, my phone number is 0902770XXXX. Next, small talk 12. Small talk 12. What is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? You can say the name of my school is Mary Pitak School. The name of my school is Mary Pitak School. Small talk 13. Small talk 13. What grade are you in? What grade are you in? I am in grade 5, section 2. I'm in grade 5, section 2. Next question. How many students are there in your classroom? How many students are there in your classroom? You can answer by saying there are 23 students in my classroom. There are 23 students in my classroom. Small talk number 15. Who is your homeroom teacher? Who is your homeroom teacher? You can answer by saying, my homeroom teacher is teacher Duang Napa. My homeroom teacher is teacher Duang Napa. Next, who is your IEP teacher? Who is your IEP teacher? You can say, my IEP teacher is teacher. Good job. My IEP teacher is teacher Peach. Next question. Who is your school director? Who is your school director? My school director is sister. Do you know the name of your school director? Sister?
Busom.
Good job, Sister Bunsom. Very good. And last question.
ได้ราคาดีนะคะครูก็นั่งหัวรอ
Who is your close friend at the school? Who is your close friend at the
My
school?
close friend is Cake.
Gail, Cake. All right. As for me, my close friend is Jenny. My close friend is Jenny.
เจนนี่คือใคร
My close friend.
เจนนี่
Next,
เจนนี่เข้ามาด้วย
let's move to
Jenny
unit
ห้อง3
7. Let's move to unit 7. Let's talk about the graph. We have learned about this already, so it's just a review of what we have learned. Graph is a visual. Visual is something about what you see. Visual diagram used to represent data. Parts of a graph, we have title, numbers, data, and label. And how to collect the data and make a graph. Step 1, create a survey question. Create the question. Step 2, collect the data. And then step 3, make the graph. Make the graph. Now, there are many different kinds of graph. Number 1 is bar graph. Bar graph. Number 2 is circle graph. Circle graph or pie chart. Circle graph or pie chart. Next is called line graph. Line graph. Number 4, poly chart. Poly chart. Number 5, line plot. Line plot. Number 6, pictograph. Pictograph. Now let's see, what is this one? It's bar graph. What about this one?
Pictograph.
Pictograph, good job. What about this one?
Line graph.
Line graph. And what about this one? Line plot. Line plot. What about this one?
Circle.
Circle graph.
Pie graph.
Circle graph or a pie chart. That is correct. And last one, what is this one? Tolly chart. Tolly chart.
Richard.
Now let's see. What is this one? It's numbers. What about this part? It's called title. And the charts here is called data. And the one below here is called label. Now, let's learn about the bar graph. A bar graph is clearly displayed results and information. The number of items is shown on the y-axis, which is vertical. This is the y-axis, vertical, and the x-axis is horizontal. Vertical is y and horizontal is x-axis. A bar chart shows how many people visited a skiing chalet throughout the year. How many people visited all together in the two busiest months, October and November? What is the result of October plus November? It's 40. It's 40. Next, the bar chart. Which color is the least popular? Which color is the least popular?
Yellow.
Least.
Green.
Green. Good job. How many children chose yellow as their favorite?
Choose yellow as their favorite. 9.
9. Good job. How many more children chose red than blue? Red minus blue is?
Red minus blue. 1.
1. Good job. How many children chose yellow and pink all together? All together means plus. Yellow plus pink.
3.
Yellow plus pink.
9 บวก 6 15.
15. Good job. And what would be a good title for the bar chart? You should say favorite colors of class A. Favorite colors of class A.
แม่เราสอนมาเลย
Now, let's learn 2 new words today. When you hear the word the most mean the biggest amount. The most, and if you hear the least is the smallest amount. The most, the least, the most, the least. Don't forget this one. If you look at our graph, you're looking for the most and the least. What is the most biggest number here? What is the biggest number here?
4.
The most.
4.
It's the bird. Good job. Next, which animal has the least number? Which animal has the least number? It's the cat. It's the cat. Now, let's review what we have learned together. Let's go with number 1 first. What is the most favorite fruit?
Bananas.
Favorite fruit? Banana. That is correct. Kurt, get 1 point. Next, number 2. What is the least favorite fruit?
Grapes.
Grapes.
What is your name?
Purse and นมปังหรือเปล่า
Kurt
สวัสดี
and นมปัง. Any more?
น่าจะไม่แหละมีแล้วมั้ง
The answer is grapes. Good Good job. Choose one number.
Number 3.
Number 3. How many people choose watermelons as their favorite fruit?
5.
5
5. What is your name?
Hers and นมปังหรือเปล่า
สวัสดี
And นมปัง. Any more?
น่าจะไม่มี
No more? Let's check. It's 5. Good job. Choose one number.
4
4. How many more children chose banana than grape? Banana minus grape.
4
What is your name?
เพิร์ดแอนนมปัง
เอาหรือไม่ก็ EQ
Hurt,
ก็อีคิวเลย
นมปัง EQ
hurt, นมปัง. EQ. The answer is 4. That is correct. Choose one number.
5 พูดไม่จะพูดไม่ชัดนะฟันหลุด
What is the most favorite sport?
อย่าพิมพ์ได้ไหม
Basketball
Basketball. What is your name?
Hers นมปัง
EQ. นมปัง. Hurt. Any more? EQ. นมปัง. Hurt. Any more people who want to answer? No. Let's check the answer. It's basketball. Easy. Number 6. How many people chose football as their favorite sport?
5
What is your name?
Hers นมปัง
EQ. นมปัง. Hers. Any more? No more? Im. Okay. The answer is 5. Good job, everyone. Now choose one number.
7
7. Okay. Basketball or football? Basketball or football? It means basketball plus basketball plus football. Basketball plus football.
แป๊บนึงนะ
14
Basketball plus football.
14
What is your name? What is your name?
Hers
เพิร์ด
14
แอน
Kurt's 14.
อีคิว14นมปัง
EQ 14. No bang
Hers
14.
Hers
Kurt's 14. Any more?
No 14
Gino 14.
เมื่อกี้ได้ยินว่า
Any more?
I know 14
Im 14. Any more?
No
Let's check the answer. The answer is 14. Good job. Next one, choose the number.
8
number 8
Number 8. Okay. What is the least favorite pet? Least favorite pet.
Rabbit
มองไม่เห็นอย่าพิมพ์ได้ไหม
Rabbit
What is your name? What is your name?
อีคิวรับบิด
นมปัง
Rabbit. นมปัง. Hurt.
Rabbit
อีคิวริบบิดรับบิด
Q. นมปัง. Hurts. Rabbit. Any more?
อีคิวรับบิด
Im rabbit. EQ rabbit. Any more?
No
No. The answer is rabbit. What number?
9
Number
9. How many more people chose dog than rabbit?
อย่าพิมพ์ได้ไหมบอกไม่เห็น
4
Dog minus rabbit.
4
What is your name?
Hers 4
It's
อี
4.
คิวโฟอีคิวโฟ
EQ 4.
นมปังโฟ
นมปัง 4. Im 4. Any more?
No
No? The answer is 4. That is correct. And the last one. How many children chose dog or cat as their favorite? Dog plus
บวกหรือ
cat.
ลบอ่ะเชอร์
Dog plus cat. Or, you see, or
18.
it's a plus.
18
18.
Purse
19 EQ 19 ขนมปัง
EQ
ขนมปัง
ขนมปัง
19 ขนมปัง
19
19 EQ and ขนมปัง and EQ 19
หนูบอกผิดชื่อขอโทษที19
Purse 19 Any more?
Gino
19 Gino 19
EQ 19
EQ 19 ขนมปัง 19 The answer is 19. That is correct, everyone. Now let's move to our book. The fun starts here. The fun starts here.
What page?
Page 40. Page 40. Let's do it together. Ready?
Ready.
Megalith restaurant had 60 new customers on Monday. For Monday, we feel 60 here. 60. Next, 90 new customers on Tuesday. So 90 here, and then write the graph here too. Next, 80 new customers on Wednesday. So you write Wednesday here. And the next day, they say 100 new customers on Thursday. So you write 100 here, 100. And Friday, there is 7 new customers here. So write 70, 70. And don't forget to write the chart here. And
Finish.
okay, good job. Last one, 90 new customer on Saturday. So you write Saturday and number 90 and then write the graph here. All right. Finish. Can I move to the next one? All right. I will move now. Okay.
Okay.
Let's move to page 41. Page 41. Page 41. Let's do it together again. For Goa, the boy likes Goa. This one with jack line. This is with jack line. And then 800 boys likes Goa. 800 boys like Goa. Next, we don't have the girl chart here. We don't have the girl chart here. So let's check the table. The girl who like kiwi, there are 900. So make the graph here. And next, for banana, for the girl, we have 600. And then let's make the graph for the boy. It's 1,000. 1,000. Finish? Take your time. Take your time. All right. Can I move to the next one? Okay. Next. Jason looked over his calendar to see how many times he had soccer practice in 6 months. So the title of this chart should be Jason's soccer practice in 6 months. Jason's soccer practice in 6 months. And then for the y-axis, you should write time here. And then fill the number here with this one is 6 8, and 12. 6, 8, and 12. And for the x-axis is month. And then the first month here is March. You can write the abbreviation of this one, MAR. The first 3 letters of each month. Next is April. And then May, June, July, and August. All right. Take your time.
แป๊บนึงช่วยยังไม่เสร็จแป๊บนึง
All right. Take your time. We have plenty of
เว
time
ลา
today.
1 นาที
All right. Can I
Okay.
start now?
โอเค
Let's start with March. For March, he practiced 5 times. 5 times. So write the chart here. Next, April. 8 times. 8 times. May, 16. June, 15. And then July is 10. And last one, August is 12. Take your time. You can do it, everyone. Finish? Good job. Now, can I move to the next one? All right. Now it's time for review. Easy peasy here. First question is, how many children are 131 cm or taller? Number 2, what is the height that has most of the people? 3, what is the amount of children altogether?
วันนี้นะครับ
Number 1, how many children are 131 cm or taller? How many? It's 7 plus 1 is 8. Number 2, what is the height that has most of the people? The one that has most of the people is 121 to 130. And last one, what is the amount of children altogether? How many children here? It's 3 plus 8 plus 11 plus 7 plus 1 equals 30. And then this is your homework for today. This is your worksheet for today. It's 10 points here, 10 points here. Do you have any questions?
พี่เชอร์คะไม่เช็คชื่อเหรอ
We have how to say that? We have a service that is for attendance, so I don't need the attendance checking anymore. So no more attendance checking because we have the automatic service to do that. Any more question? No question? All right, let's see who get the score today. EQ has 6 points, Nom Pang 9, Perts 10, Imim 5, Gino 2. That is the score for today. All right, if you don't have any
Yay.
questions, it's time to say goodbye, everyone. Have a good day.
บายบายพี่เชอร์
บ๊ายบายเชอร์
บาย
Yeah.